Aloha everybody, Gabe here from the Hawaii Institute of Self-Reliance. Welcome back. Mahalo for watching. Today's video, I'm reviewing the EnZo Necker, made in Finland. It's a full tang knife out of 12C27 stainless steel. I'm going to roll in some footage from a camping trip that I took, and I saved the footage, and it guts a fish, and it does all sorts of camp tasks. I've been carrying this knife for about 2 months and using it around the homestead, at work, and fishing and camping and all sorts of different bushcraft tasks. So don't go away and check out the video. Give you the stats on the EnZo Necker 70 knife. It's a full tang fixed blade knife made in Finland out of 12C27 Scandi stainless steel. Has brass pins and a Scandi grind with a 2.5 inch blade, 6 inches overall. Comes with a high quality leather sheath. The knife alone weighs 2.6 ounces. If you don't want to see a fish gutted with the EnZo Necker, I would skip this part. It won't take that long, and I will make it quick. I just want to test this blade. I've been using this blade all day, picking OPE, and it's rough on the tip. We'll see how sharp it is. First, I'm going to use a machete to chop off the head and then gut the fish. This is a rock cod that we caught today with the Necker. And EnZo Necker is going to gut it, but the machete is going to chop off the head. So here we go. Save the head. Still some meat in there. We can use that. Now we'll take the EnZo Necker and gut her. Gut this fish. Oh yeah, still sharp. There we go. Oh yeah, that was brilliant. Really easy. The Necker is great. The EnZo Necker. Oh yeah. Easy peasy. Bones are really hard in these rock cod. There we go. Slice it like that. Okay. Okay, the EnZo Necker did the job. Oh yeah, there we go. Great, let's cook her up. I like this little Necker. It's a great little knife. Stainless steel. I'm gonna wash it off, of course. You gotta protect it. This has got some good meat on there. This is gonna be a good fish. Cook it up. Beautiful. Awesome. Oh my goodness. Ironwood is really tough. Okay, so I'm going to back it out again. And try just a smaller bite. It is a small knife. You're in the action now. Oh, that scanty grind really helps split the wood. Okay, well, it's not enough tip. There we go. This is a big piece of ironwood for this small knife. Yeah, look at that, no problem. Beast of a little knife. Scanty grind helps split the wood. Okay, let's see. She's still sharp. Oh yeah. Definitely sharp. Okay, well, her job's not done. No! Ah. Aha. Got him. Oh yeah. Eating good tonight. This knife is a great little carving knife. It's got a strong tip and a scanty grind. Of course, it's not the factory edge. There was some damage while I was prying against rock and just using it not how a knife should be used. Of course, there was going to be damage. All I did was touch it up on the stone and then strop it. And let's see how well it carves. That scanty grind really helps while carving. Just goes right through the wood. Easy. Yep, there we go. Notch done. Touch it up a little bit here, make it beautiful. There we go. Got a couple other notches over there. I've been carving with this thing. I carved the wooden fish hooks in another video. I'll provide a link to that in the description box. Yeah, great carving knife. Awesome. The one complaint I do have of this knife is it doesn't really have that sharp of a spine. I'd like to see the spine sharper so I can strike a ferrocerium rod. It does the trick, and it will, you know, start a fire like that. It's just that I wish the spine was a little bit sharper. Not a big problem. I'll just take a file and file this down so I can strike a ferrocerium rod easier, and it throws more sparks. As of right now, it's not a huge deal. It does the job. Okay, I want to talk about the leather sheath. I wouldn't use it as a neck knife. I'm just not much of a neck knife guy. I just don't like you know, the weight, and this is kind of a heavy knife to be a neck knife in my opinion. The one complaint that I do have of the leather sheath, it is a top quality sheath, but the belt loop is really small. You couldn't get much more than 1.5 inch belt in there, and my 2-inch belt doesn't work. It's got good stitching, right? It's got a lanyard or a lashing point right there. It's good stitching, solid, and it works, and it's comfortable, and it really just disappears on your belt. I barely even know it's there. The retention isn't the best, but it's easy in and out. So for $45, I think it's a great deal. It's jungle approved. It's comfortable in hand. You can get right up there on that blade. The edge retention is very good. I think it's a little bit better than Mora in my opinion. I think the heat treat is a little bit better, the EnZo heat treat, and it's a thick blade. It doesn't slice, you know, like a full flat grind. But to me, this is a, you know, woodsman mini belt knife. You know, it'd be a backup to your you know, main belt knife, or to you like a machete or something. If you're going real light, you want to just have a small belt knife that works really well. I think this is an awesome setup for $45, $46, depending on the handle material you get. And I'll provide a link in the description box where you can go buy this knife, and it helps support the channel so I can buy other gear and make reviews for you. And the mosquitoes are pretty bad. It's been raining a lot lately, and it's really humid, and it's getting hot, and the mosquitoes are out in the jungle. So jungle approved. I'm definitely stoked. I wear medium sized gloves, medium to large size gloves, and it's got plenty of room on there. Like I was saying, the edge retention is excellent. It's a great fishing, camping, hiking, backpacking, EDC work knife. It's great. I'm not much of a folder guy, so I like the fixed blade fold tang knives, and this is, you know, small, compact, like a folder, right? Small and compact, and definitely legal to carry in a lot of different places, you know, because of the edge or the blade length. And yeah, this is a green handle on it. It's nice, and the rust resistance is really good on this 12C27 Scandi stainless steel. Awesome knife, jungle approved. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. Make sure you check out that link in the description box if this knife is for you, if it sounds like it's for you. $45, $46. EnZo, my first EnZo. This is awesome. Go buy this knife. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. It's a good deal. You're gonna like it. Even if I have to get a Kydex upgrade, it's not a big deal. I really enjoy this knife, and using it, you know, for the past couple months, it worked great. Okay, thank you for the like, thank you for the comment, thank you for the share, thank you for the subscription. Make sure you hit the bell symbol to get notifications for when I upload a video, and you can watch it and tell me what you think. And until next time, hello.